In this video, we are reviewing 3 popular email marketing tools: Brevo, Flowdesk, and MailerLite. We will explore what they offer, how their free and paid plans are structured, and how they might fit your needs if you are running a business, a newsletter, or a creative brand. Let's start with Brevo. Brevo is an all-in-one communication and marketing platform, meaning it is not just limited to email. You can run email campaigns, SMS campaigns, WhatsApp messages, live chat, and even manage customer relationships with built-in CRM tools. So, it is more than a basic email service, it leans into the territory of marketing automation and customer management. The email campaign builder has a drag and drop interface, email templates, personalization options, and dynamic content blocks. For more advanced users, it offers send time optimization and workflow automation that can react to user behavior like clicks, opens, or form submissions. Beyond email, you can set up automated workflows that include multiple channels. For example, if a customer clicks a link in your email, you could follow up via SMS or push them into a sales funnel within the CRM. This is especially useful if you want to bring marketing, transactional emails, and customer interactions into one place. Brevo's free plan lets you send up to 300 emails per day with unlimited contacts. That is good if you are just starting out and don't send a high volume. But if you need more flexibility, their starter plans begins at around $9 per month for 5,000 emails. From there, the pricing scales with volume and you can add features like marketing automation, advanced statistics, and removable branding. What's unique about Brevo is that pricing is based on number of emails sent, not number of subscribers, making it cost efficient for people with large email lists but low send frequency. Now let's talk about Flowdesk. Flowdesk takes a very different approach. It is aimed at creators and small businesses that want beautiful emails without the learning curve. So the focus here is more on design and ease of use rather than robust analytics or multi-channel tools. The email builder is extremely visual and simple to use. You don't need to know any code, and most things can be done by dragging elements into place. The templates are highly aesthetic, making it specially popular with designers, photographers, wellness coaches, and people selling digital products. Flowdesk also lets you create landing pages, opt-in forms, and checkout pages, which is helpful if you are capturing leads or selling directly from emails. The automation tools are basic but effective. You can create welcome sequences, post-purchase follow-ups, or any type of linear flow based on subscriber behavior. However, if you are looking for advanced logic like multi-step decision trees, tagging systems, or integrations with external CRMs, Flowdesk might feel limited. One of the most attractive things about Flowdesk is its flat pricing model. You pay $38 per month and that gives you unlimited subscribers, unlimited emails, and access to all features. No complicated tiers or usage limits, which is amazing, especially for creators who don't want to worry about subscriber counts. There is also a free plan which lets you explore some limited features. So, if you are looking for a tool that prioritizes visual quality and doesn't overwhelm you with options, Flowdesk is definitely worth considering. And finally, MailerLite. MailerLite positions itself as a middle ground between simplicity and functionality. It is ideal for bloggers, small businesses, and even teams that need a flexible email tool without enterprise pricing. You can build email campaigns using the drag and drop editor, but you also have access to HTML editing, rich text formats, and template galleries. The automation capabilities are more advanced than Flowdesk. You can create multi-step workflows, use branching logic, trigger actions based on subscriber behavior, and even apply custom fields and tagging. Beyond email, MailerLite offers landing pages, pop-ups, a full website builder, and even e-commerce integration. You can sell digital products, run paid newsletters, and sync with Stripe directly. MailerLite integrates with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, Zapier, and dozens of others. Its analytics dashboards give insights on open rates, click-throughs, subscriber growth, and more. It also supports auto-resend campaigns for people who didn't open your first email. The free plan gives you up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, which is quite generous. From there, the paid plans start at $10 per month and pricing scales based on your list size and the features you want, like automation builder, dynamic content, or priority support. Brevo is great if you want an all-in-one platform that covers email, SMS, WhatsApp, CRM, and automation. Flowdesk is ideal if you value stunning visuals, ease of use, and flat pricing but don't need complex logic. MailerLite sits in the middle, offering flexibility, smart automation, and a generous free plan, making it a strong option for most small businesses. Whichever one you choose, it really comes down to what kind of campaigns you run and how much control or design flexibility you need. Links to all three platforms are in the description of this video if you want to explore them yourself. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can build websites from scratch, then you can check this video right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.